Let's kick things off with Gantt charts. These are like your roadmap for tracking tasks, visually stylish and super handy. Whether you're a project manager or just love neat schedules, Gantt charts will become your new best friend. And the best part, with Power BI, you can transform dull data into something you actually enjoy looking at. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott, and for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Picture a timeline where tasks move like puzzle pieces. Welcome to Gantt charts. They're your personal assistant for keeping track of deadlines. Think of it as a glorified to-do list, but way cooler and much less chaotic than sticky notes all over your desk. Why should you care about Gantt charts in Power BI? Well, imagine trying to plan a wedding without a schedule. You'd probably end up serving cake before the vows. These charts simplify tracking, improve teamwork, and ensure you don't miss any deadlines. Plus, with real-time data updates, you'll always be ahead of the game. Before we jump into Gantt charts, let's talk about data prep. You wouldn't bake a cake with expired ingredients, right? Same logic here. Clean data makes everything smoother. Ensure your dataset includes dates, dependencies, and proper formatting. Trust me, future you will thank you. A well-designed Gantt chart is like a neatly ironed shirt. It makes everything look sharp and professional. Pick colors that make the data easy to read. Adjust the bar sizes so they don't crowd each other, and use labels wisely to highlight what's really important. Oh, and don't forget scaling. A messy, unreadable Gantt chart is like wearing two different socks, confusing and distracting. Filters and slicers are like detective tools. They help you zoom in on the details that matter. Want to see just the most critical tasks? Use filters. Need to analyze specific weeks? Slicers are your friend. But don't go overboard. Too many filters can leave you lost in a maze instead of finding insights. A Gantt chart is basically your project's health monitor. It helps you check which tasks are completed, spot delays before they snowball, and compare your dream schedule with reality. And those milestones, think of them as checkpoints in a marathon. Keep hitting them and you'll cross the finish line successfully. A great Gantt chart is like a great coffee, strong, simple, and energizing. Keep it clear, avoid clutter, and make sure it serves a purpose. Interactive features. They're the whipped cream on top, making it even better. And remember, data updates aren't optional. They're like refilling your coffee cup. Gantt charts are fantastic, but they do have their quirks. They aren't the most flexible tool, and highly complex projects might feel a bit squeezed in. Large datasets. Prepare for performance hiccups and the need for manual updates. It's like having to water plants regularly, necessary but sometimes a hassle. Gantt charts are great, but they're not the only option in town. Kanban boards are fantastic for workflow management. Burn-down charts help you keep pace, and timeline views simplify things. Dashboards. They're like a crystal ball, giving you instant insights into your project's health. Gantt charts are everywhere. Developers use them to track sprints, marketers plan their campaigns with them, and construction teams rely on them like blueprints. Even event planners swear by them. Honestly, if Gantt charts could talk, they'd brag about being the ultimate multitaskers. So what's the big takeaway? Gantt charts make project management easier and more visual. Follow best practices to get the most out of them, and don't shy away from alternatives when needed. Think of them as your project's GPS. Use them wisely, and you'll reach your destination with minimal detours. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.